Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the fastest and easiest ways to get ice in Knockout. So let's dive in. Now, if you want to stack ice quickly, there are four main methods you should be using. First up, we have spins. This one. So make sure you're using your free spins every day. Free spins recharge over time and they can reward you with ice. Sometimes even big amounts if you get lucky. So don't let them sit at max, always spend them. Next, we have the daily and weekly quests. So just click quests right over here. And these are one of the best consistent sources of ice. You'll usually need to play matches, get knockouts, or win rounds. Every knockout gives you ice, and every win gives you even more. So just playing normally already helps you grind. Third, actually winning games. So the better you perform, the more ice you earn. Even if you don't win every time, getting knockouts still adds up over multiple matches. So keep playing smart and aggressive. And finally, you want to like the game and join a group. Once you do, you go over here for free 350 ice. And basically that's it. Use all four of these together and you'll be farming ice way faster than most players. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!